Good day, Sir Torteliano Gamacho. My name is Artemio Olivio from the ECT 14, and this is my topic presentation. It is all about Plato's inquiry on the question, who are you? But before that, who is Plato? Plato was one of the world's first consequentialists. He believes in the saying that it is the result that matter, not how you get there. Plato was one of the world's most famous and most widely read and studied philosopher. He was a student of Socrates and a teacher of Aristotle, and he wrote in the middle of 4th century BCE in ancient Greece. Though influenced primarily by Socrates, to the extent that Socrates was the main character in many of Plato's writings, he was also influenced by Heraclitus, Parmenides, and the Pythagoreans. Since the world we live is constantly changing, Plato concludes that any knowledge we think we have is merely opinion and is subject to change. According to Plato, a human person is composed of body and soul. So basically, a human person is the dichotomy of body and soul. The body is the material and destructible part, and the soul is the immaterial and indestructible part. Plato uses the term soul as a general term for the thing that makes people act. Plato created a more organized conception of self and built upon theories of his mentor. The idea of tripartite soul was first presented by Plato in his work The Republic. Plato argues that the appetitive component is motivated by needs and desire, the spirited part is concerned with honor and courage, and the rational part seeks knowledge and truth. Plato stated that sometimes appetitive contradicts reason and give evidence of people doing what they want rather than what is best for them. Plato argues that identity is not limited to the bodily form or the experiences of the present. Rather, it's linked to a more profound and unchangeable part of oneself that he calls the soul. In dialogues like Phaedo and Republic, Plato delves into the notion that the soul, being timeless and unchangeable, is the ultimate self. According to his theory, we are inextricably linked to the world of forms, ideals that are flawless and abstract that exist outside our physical reality. According to Plato, the link between the soul and the form and this form is particularly the form of God, which stands for the ultimate truth and highest reality. The concept of the soul's pre- and post-existence was also covered by Plato. He proposes that the spirit travels through a cycle of reincarnation, picking up knowledge and virtue along the way. As a result, answering the question, who are you, need to acknowledge the soul's voyage, its relationship to the form, and its quest for wisdom and virtue. To sum up, Plato answers the question, who are you, by delving into the domain of internal soul, its conformity to universal truths, and its continuous pursuit of knowledge and moral perfection. Thank you.